Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something super exciting, the brand new Pokémon McDonald's Happy Meal promotion. They've got special booster packs of Pokémon trading card game cards, and of course, we had to get our hands on some. Look at this awesome box. It's got sticks and posters on the side, so cool. Inside each Happy Meal, you get one of these special Pokémon TCG booster packs, along with a poster and stickers. But let's be honest, we're really here for the cards. Alright, let's take a look at this pack. It features Dragonite and Pikachu. I'm really hoping to pull something awesome today. There are 4 cards in each of these packs, and who knows what rare gems we might find. Let's open the second box. It's another Mcdonald's. We already got to Mcdonald's. Third box, give me something good Rayquaza. It's a roaring moon. Let me know in the comments below if you've managed to get your hands on these cards and what you've pulled.